Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to self-host your own local AI assistant using janai. Completely private and super easy to set up. We'll do it in just a few minutes, step by step. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Install janai. First, open the GitHub repo of janai in your browser. Then install it according to your operating system. I'm downloading it for macOS. It will take a few minutes. Open the Jan application. Step 2. Download LLM model. Inside Jan's interface, click Hub. You'll see a list of LLMs like Llama 3.2, Mistral, Qwen 3, etc. I'm going with Gemma 22B it. It'll check for compatibility. Click Download. Wait for a moment until it's complete. Now click New Chat, then select Model and choose your downloaded one. Let's give it a try. Write a function in C++. It instantly generated one that adds 2 integers. Perfect, it's working just as expected. Step 3. Run Jan API server locally. Now click Settings, then go to Local API server. Enter any API key you want. I'm using Testing. Then hit Start Server and open logs. Copy the local address shown and open it in your browser. It's running locally on port 1337. Last step, Set Up Pinggy Tunnel. Open your terminal and run this command. It'll instantly generate a public URL. Copy this link, open it in your browser, and click Enter Site. Now your Jan API server is live on the internet. Let's test it out. I'm opening a new incognito window and pasting that Pinggy link. Click Enter Site. Then click Authorize. Enter your API key, Testing, and authorize it. Now go to the Get section. Click Try it out, then Execute. You'll see your list of models, and yep, there's Gemma 22B. Next, go to Post. Click Try it out. Here, you can type your prompt, and the assistant will reply. Type this code block. Then click Execute. And there it is. The AI replies instantly. It's working flawlessly. So yeah, that's how you can self-host your own AI assistant locally using Jan, and even share it securely online with your friends. Just share the Pinggy link and API key. Thanks for watching.